Here's all my Naruto figurines. Here's my new collection, I updated one. First up, we have Orochimaru. He used to have a snake, but it broke off. Same with the rope on his back. No idea what he painted his pants blue. His in the show were black. We have Kankuro. Got his little puppet on his back. We have Kurama. This is like a chibi version of him. We have Jiraiya. His giant hairpiece broke off, which is a shame. We have a Rasengan Naruto. This one, it's pretty crappy actually. It's not well made. The Uzumaki clan isn't painted on. The pouch isn't painted on as well. This is pretty crappy. Can't even stand up as well. Well, it did now, but most of the time it doesn't stand up. Here's Gaara. This is the evil version of him, with the sand and the giant gourd on his back. We have Gamabunta with his sword. There's a symbol on his back. Next up we have Anbu Kakashi. This is from Ultimate Ninja. It's not a Shippuden one. From the same series as these ones here. Next up we have Iruka Sensei. His braid broke off. Next up we have Shino. I have a stand somewhere. Next up we have Sakura from the third movie. Next up we have Naruto and Gamatatsu, I think. Next up we have this yoga warrior Naruto. We have this Naruto here. His hand broke off, so I super glued it on. No idea why his collar is like a nasty color. Next up, we have a Coca-Cola Sasuke. His head broke off. Oh. Next up, we have a Chibi Iruka. This is an official one, actually. We have an Iruka keychain. I think it's the same like mold as that one. Next up we have Choji. This one is a Mattel one. Next up we have a miniature Gamabunta. There was a little like Minato standing on top of there, and then it broke off. We have a Chibi Sakura. Cool. We have a Gaara, a Chibi one. We have a Chunin Sasuke, but he is gone back together. This one is part of like a tree diorama. Next up we have a Chibi Kakashi reading Make Out Paradise. We also have a Chibi Naruto. His hands are broken though. We have a Chibi Rock Lee. We have Chibi Zabuza. Here's the Kubi Kiri Bocho. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Zabuza. Love to get more figurines of him. And last but not least, we have a Chibi Sasuke doing fireball jutsu. Hand is missing though. It had like the hand that had like the had like him like it was like posed and it actually looked like he was doing it. Well, there's my collection. I'm gonna get more, so expect like a update in like a few days. So bye.